The world must be ending because everybody's showing. Look, look. People, we having a snowball fight. Now we got the babies crying. The baby's crying. The baby's not crying? Oh, the baby's crying. You want to have snowball fight too? Guys, it's all good though. Ashley must be thinking that the world gonna die too. Look at her right there. Look at her right there. Look at all that food. That's for 24 hours, y'all. Look at that pack. Some of the bitches in here, they lucky. They lucky. You acting like you didn't get your food stamps on the first. Are you on the 13th?